General Secretary namin. Distinguished guests, the Holy Family, Father Benilis and Anthony Layo, and sisters, the Sangguniang Bayan members, headed by Vice Mayor and Presiding Officer, Honorable Raimundo P. Santos, the Association of Barangay Captain, headed by ADC President Roger Zablan, the Sangguniang Kabataan Federation, headed by Engineer Lloyd Pedro Sablan, the different department heads, headed by Municipal Administrator Ernesto Pamusino, the municipal employees, the former municipal and barangay officials who are present here today, the municipal consultants, headed by former mayor and incoming senior citizens president, Attorney Cristiano Andos Bautista, the barangay health workers, headed by President Teresita Kalunan, the Senior Citizen Association, headed by Mrs. Freddy Bartolome, the DepEd, headed by Dr. Catalina Cabansag, Dr. Freddy Celso, District Supervisor, District 1, Dr. Lilia Antonio, District Supervisor, District 2, the different principals and teachers, the Educators Associations, the Farmers Cooperatives, Seed Growers Association, Tricycles Operators and Drivers Association, Gateway Operators and Drivers Association, Vendors Association headed by Mr. Boots Bautista, the National Government Offices, the Telecom, Postal, Fire Department, the PNP, BIR, the MARO, COMELEC, DILG, the RADDL, Philippine Coconut Authority, ETI, Department of Agriculture, Bureau of Plant Industry, mga kapatid sa Iglesia, Association of Patmos, headed by Pastor Roland Santiago, the NGOs and POs, Ginebra San Miguel, headed by Mr. Ariel Cassett, the RIC, headed by Mrs. Rosita Cabangon, ang ating mga kaibigan sa media, nandiyan po si Paredes sa USCTV, mga kaibigan na Balikbayan na nandito ngayon, masantos sa kapasaran sa kayo. Amen. Ako po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa ating Panginoong Diyos dahil binigyan niya ako ulit ng panibagong pagkakataon na muli manilihan sa mga mahal kong kababayan at sa bayan ng mga mahal kong kababayan kung Santa Barbara. My victory in the last 19 election was considered by many as a miracle. Pagpagbalad, tutulaso ng salita. Nawala may kwanta English. Yeah. The voice of the people is the voice of God. Kaya nga siya ikikwintak yan. Yung pawilkuhan, di na may Diyos. Sa pagbabalik kong ito, asahan ninyo na respeto, serbisyo, hindi takot sa namumuno ang mananaig sa munisipyo. Tapos na ang politika. Matagal pa ang local election. Kaya sana kalimutan muna natin ang politika. At magtulungan tayo. Kaya nananawagan ako sa lahat ng mamamayan na makipagtulungan sa amin para sa mapaunlad ang ating bayan. During my 100 days in the office, my administration was focused on core sector of local governance, namely administrative governance, social governance, economic governance, and environmental governance. The financial status of the municipality as of June 30. First, allow me to talk about the financial status of our municipality. When I assumed the office last July 1st, it is quite unfortunate that out of 170.5 million annual budget for the 2010, 63% or 92.5 million was already allotted and obligated. It is also sad to know that as of June 30, 2010, only 3.7 million was left as cash in bank. Ang ibig sabihin po nito, mga mahal kong kababayan, ay limitado na po ang natitirang budget para magamit natin sa loob ng 6 na buwan. The institutionalization of austerity measures. Upon learning of the financial status of our municipality, based on financial report of the transition team, I immediately issued policy and directives, programs, trusts, and priorities. One very important part of this policy directives is the implementation of austerity measures to sustain the operation of the municipality without sacrificing the delivery of basic services. I am now proud to report to you that our austerity measure is successful. Sa katunayan po, sa aking opisina po lamang ay nakatipid po tayo ng 210,000 sa loob ng unang 100 araw sa aking panunungkulan sa paggamit po ng gasolina. Mas maganda po ang malapit ang inuyan kaysa uwi ka ng Batangas at makakatipid ka ng gasolina. Tingnan niyo po yung 210,000 sa 100 days. Kulang po lang 1 million po yan, 840,000 sa loob ng isang taon sa pagtipid ng gasolina. Intensification of tax revenue collection. The efforts of financial managers likewise paid off. Our cash in bank has increased from 3.7 million to 9 million as of August 31, 2010, or an increase of 95%. In July 2010 alone, we were able to generate 7.4 million from internal sources and 6 million from external sources.